So these are my freshly blended banana. I added essential oil, carrot oil, coconut oil, linseed oil or flaxseed oil, and olive oil. Then I added apple cider vinegar. So this is it. I shall be applying it to my hair. Let's get to it. So before we start, let me also add that you need to add the banana mask on freshly. You will not shampoo your hair, but the hair needs to be properly detangled, otherwise you end up with a lot of mushy banana on your hair. So I've already detangled my hair, so I've not washed. My hair doesn't need washing, so right now I don't always do length check, but I think my hair is right somewhere here. So that is, make sure you detangle your hair first. Detangle and people first before you start applying it. Okay, let's get to it. So I need to be walking quickly. Then you need to start from the tip, which is the oldest part of your hair, and work your way all through. So apply generously and then twist. So guys, I'm back. I've generously applied the banana mask all over my hair. So just apply it generously. Then I shall be covering this with a plastic bag. Then leave it on for 30 minutes. Then I'll wash off. I'll show you guys how it turned out. See ya. You can secure it with a bobby pin. The banana is so moisturized and I can feel the sleep in these products. Something you can find in your kitchen or you can buy. Very, very healthy. Your hair will thank you for it. So I even have a white sauce, so this is what I'm going to cover it. So I'll be back to show you how it all turned out. See you. So welcome back, guys. It's more than 30 minutes and I've washed off the banana mask, but unfortunately there was no water, so I had to use stored water to wash it. And as you can see, I still have banana chunks left over, so I'm going to go back to wash it under the shower. There is water now. So just a tip, if you, after applying it, please don't wait more than 30 minutes. Make sure you wash off the banana mask while it's still like wet, otherwise you end up with chunks, and wash it under running water. Okay, I'll be back to show us how it turned out. See ya. So I've been able to wash out the banana puree. So as you can see, my hair is neater and so soft. So you guys should try it and let me know how it turns out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video and share. Invite your friends. We shall be doing a lot of DIYs. Bye. See you next time.